Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you're enjoying the weekend. Today we have another video on Castor Maritime, ticker symbol CTRM. We got some big news from Castor Maritime last week, just on Friday, so we're going to talk about that in this video. But first, let's take a look at the chart. So Castor Maritime closed the day on Friday at 50 cents, down almost 2% on the day. During the day, the price fluctuated from 50 cents to almost 56 cents. Now, at the beginning of the session on Friday, Castor Maritime took off, almost touching 56 cents. But really, after the first 10 minutes or so on the day, Castor Maritime couldn't hold on to that high and started taking a downtrend pretty much for the rest of the day, with the volume being at just over 166 million shares traded for the day. Now, if we look at the 5-day, we can pretty much see that it's been in a downtrend for the whole week. And then on Thursday, April 8th, we hit that extreme low of 46 cents. Now, this was also a great opportunity to buy some extra shares and really make use of these dips. And just a quick reminder, guys, if you like the content, if you're getting value out of these videos, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on post notifications, as it really helps out this channel grow and allows this content to reach others who are interested in Castor Maritime. Thank you. So now time for the big news. So on Friday, April 9th, Castor Maritime announced a new vessel acquisition. So Castor Maritime announced that it entered through a separate wholly owned subsidiary into an agreement to purchase a 2011 Japanese-built Panamax dry bulk carrier from an unaffiliated third party for a purchase price of $18.48 million. The acquisition is expected to be consummated by taking delivery of the vessel within the second quarter of this year and is subject to the satisfaction of certain customary closing conditions. Castor Maritime CEO Petros had this to say: "We are pleased to announce our 9th vessel acquisition in 2021, with the addition of another Panamax dry bulk vessel to Castor's fleet. Our focus remains on deploying our capital and growing our fleet through timely acquisitions of vessels across shipping segments." Now, on a fully delivered basis, Castor will have a fleet of 15 vessels, consisting of 1 Capesize, 5 Kamsarmax, 7 Panamax dry bulk vessels, and 2 Aframax tankers. So this is something we had a feeling that a new acquisition was coming since their last announcement on the same week on Monday, April 5th, of the share offering for the 125 million. Now, every time that there's a share offering, there's always some negative connotation to the stock, and stockholders and investors see it as a negative sometimes. However, we knew that they were raising capital because they need to expand their business, which means purchasing additional vessels. And in my last video, I made note of that, telling you guys that I could see them announcing a new vessel acquisition within the next couple weeks. And only a few days later are we here now with this new vessel acquisition. And since we are in the second quarter, this is great news, as Petros mentioned in the announcement that they would officially be receiving this delivery of this vessel in the second quarter. So that could be at any point. Now, I believe once they announce the delivery of this new Panamax, they are also going to announce a new time charter agreement. And something tells me this isn't the only vessel acquisition we're going to hear about. I believe we're going to hear another one in the next few weeks. Now, in every video, we like to follow the Baltic Exchange Dry Index. So let's take a quick look at the BDI. So on Friday, April 9th, the Baltic Exchange Dry Index was down 3 points, or 0.1%, sitting at 2,085. However, the Baltic Exchange Dry Index was up 0.6% in the first week of April, the first weekly gain in 3. Now, it's been a rough week for Castor Maritime, and many of you are wondering whether you should sell, take a loss, take your profits, or just get out of this position. Now, I'm still bullish on Castor Maritime. However, as I've said many times, Castor Maritime is extremely volatile. It's a very risky play, and it's definitely not for the weak at heart. And as well, I've always said this is a long-term hold, and I'm stating 1 to 2 years minimum. And with that, this will give Castor Maritime plenty of time to acquire more vessels and obtain more time charter agreements, which will allow them to generate higher revenues and profits. And of course, this is a penny stock, and penny stocks of any nature are always going to be extremely risky. I am still bullish, and I still believe that Castor Maritime will hit $2 by the end of 2021. And I believe as we move forward into 2021, we are going to start to see more vessel acquisitions and more time charter agreements. And I also believe that the Baltic Exchange Dry Index is slowly rising, and it's only going to increase as we go forward in 2021, as the world gets back to a more normal and businesses start to reopen. Okay guys, I just wanted to give you that quick update. I know it was a short video. I just wanted to provide you with their latest acquisition. Now let me know, what is your price target for Castor Maritime in 2021? Are you still bullish? Are you considering selling? Have you already sold? Are you going to hold on for the long term? Let me know. And if there's any other stocks you want me to cover and provide some due diligence on, please let me know in the comments down below or hit me up on Instagram. And as always, guys, happy trading and see you in the next video.